So today what I want to do, this is my old compressor that I found on the street. It's working perfectly fine, but it doesn't have legs over here. It has two holes where you can add legs, because otherwise it's just sitting on the concrete and it's gonna rust with time. So what I want to do, I found two legs like this. Over here I have two legs, then I have two nuts that I also found. One it's wider, one it's more narrow. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut these two to be shorter so that they can fit in here and I can screw the knot. And then I need to make these holes a little bit larger with my drill. Okay, I'm gonna cut them in half. That's it, another one is done. Now I just need to clean up a little bit the edge. Okay, done. Okay, now let's see. Is the nut gonna screw? Yeah, it does. It does on one, and then it does on the second one. Now we need to enlarge the holes. Okay, here are my drill bits. Let's see which one. Probably this one, the biggest one. Yeah. I hope this is gonna be enough. Let me start with the smaller one. And this is the only one that I have this size. It almost fits. Okay, it's gonna fit. paper towel or something to hold, because it's slipping. Yeah, this is good enough. This is how it came out. This is how I screw them. Nuts are a little bit different, but this is what I had. Didn't have two nuts the same, but this shouldn't matter because it's not holding a lot of weight, or it's just sitting in one place, and they are as tight as they can be. And now they're sitting on these legs instead of just sitting on the concrete in the garage and rusting. So this is a pretty old compressor. I changed the oil. This is basically the fill plug. This is the drain plug. I also changed the filter. It's a pretty old compressor, but you know what? I also disassembled the motor and I oiled it, the bearing. It works, it just works. I found it on the street. Probably someone got a newer one, or maybe this one was not enough for them, but it just works well, you know, for whatever I need around the house, you know, filling up tires with air, you know, blowing some dust or whatever, using an impact gun also.